Navigating the world of car titles can be tricky, especially when you see something like Maryland State Farm title with SVC. Let's break it down. A standard title is proof of ownership, issued by the State Farm. An insurance company often gets involved when a car is involved in an accident and a claim is necessary. The Maryland part signifies that this is a title issued in the state of Maryland and is subject to its rules and regulations. State Farm may handle the title after an insurance claim or a car being ruled as a total loss. Now, SVC likely refers to services performed on the vehicle. This could include repairs, inspections, or other work related to an insurance claim. This title also has a history related to the damage, repairs, and insurance claims that are included in the record. Think of it as a detailed history file that details any damage and information, such as the claim and costs of services. In short, a Maryland State Farm title with SVC combines proof of ownership with a record of associated vehicle services. This information helps potential buyers understand the car's history to determine accurate value and make informed decisions. It's all about clarity.